Well, I was about to head to Waco to pick up some parts for that truck. Had a little time to kill, so I thought I would take the Subaru for a spin and then get that one off the rack and go for a spin. But alas, apparently leaving this one in the cold for a month without the battery tender finally was enough to kill that anti-gravity lithium battery. So put it on the tender, hopefully it'll come back to life, but there's a good chance it won't. So we'll see what happens. But yes, hoopty problems. It's everyone's favorite day. New parts day. We've got the NFab rock sliders and then Osphere skid plates, however you say that brand. And then the OEM fog light kit from Diode Dynamics. Those actually go here in the OEM factory location, and the ones that I got are amber. So I'm gonna have the amber OEM fog from Diode, and then still whenever they come in, probably gonna cut these up and put the 6-inch bars inside of there.
Weakest.
So a little progress on the truck today. Got the Diode Dynamics OEM fog replacements in. Plug and play kit. It does have backlighting, but we didn't hook up backlighting, so it's just on or off. Got the rock sliders on. These are the NFab ones you can get from realtruck.com. I'll give you a better look of how they're tucked in. They're not really sticking out far enough to use for a step. They're sticking out kind of just far enough that the person in the grocery store that opens their door to whack you might actually catch this slider instead of your paint, hopefully. And will it save paint from rock chips? Probably not much, but better than not having anything there. And then the swing case installed. I took my cheap bed cover off and put it on Marketplace. If you're in Austin and you want it, come get it. And then we got started underneath. Let's see if I can get my old body down here on the ground. Got started underneath with the transmission skid plate, which goes behind the engine plate. And then I have the gas tank one, but we didn't get that far. That one will go here. So I need to get that one installed still. And here's a view from a little bit lower so you can see how the sliders are tucked up. So they are kind of nice up and out of the way. So one thing I will say about the NFab sliders is that, so it uses the factory mounting holes from the original running boards, and the back two holes on the NFab sliders matched perfectly, and on the front two matched perfectly. But for whatever reason, we were only able to use one of the holes for the center section. Should be 2 bolts there, but on both of the rails we could only get 1 bolt there. It was almost like the hole on the NFab slider was just slightly off enough that you couldn't get the bolt to go in. But hey, 5 out of 6 bolts, it shouldn't go anywhere. So I went ahead and parked close to my garage now that it's dark out, and you can definitely see the beam from the amber fogs. I'll be curious to see what that's like once I get out to the snow, but that's why I went for amber instead of clear. Looks pretty good.